Hi everyone, good morning. It's Cindy with Twisted Truths, and how you guys all doing? I have some breaking news for you guys regarding Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell. It's pretty significant, actually. So all of us are aware that Lori Vallow refuses to disclose the location of her children, and she's in jail. Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell are the subject of legal correspondence being circulated by East Idaho News, and it's between Marcia Murdoch of the Fremont County Prosecutor's Office, and it's an agreement on prosecutorial investigative assistance. It's a request. The date of the request is April 7th, and the agreement was signed on April 9th. The nature of the request is a prosecutorial review, and the named defendants are Lori Daybell and Chad Daybell. And they're being investigated for conspiracy, attempted murder, and murder. Whoa. So Lawrence Wasden is the Attorney General for Idaho, and I believe they have a compact with Fremont County to work with them on cases. It dates back to 2015. I don't know what this means exactly. We all know that on November 5th, she married Chad Daybell in Hawaii. But the agreement is between the AG, and it states the letter of agreement is intended to memorialize our joint understanding regarding the request for assistance that the AG received from your office, county, on the above case and matter. The nature and scope of the assistance and the AG has agreed to provide are as follows: prosecutorial assistance due to other reasons without the involvement of the local prosecutor, Criminal Law Division in Boise, Idaho. It's the Attorney General's office. The scope of the assistance to be provided: review and investigate incident reports, make the decision to file charges, or decline prosecution, and handle the matter through final resolution in the trial court. The terms and conditions of the assistance to be provided are as follows: prosecutorial investigative assistance without local prosecutor involvement. The AG will assume full responsibility and authority for the case. All decisions regarding the case shall be the responsibility of the Attorney General. The county prosecutor will file an appropriate motion under the provisions of Idaho Code such and such, to allow the AG or his designee to appear in the case, or the AG will file a notice of appearance pursuant to Idaho Code, a copy of a motion or petition for appointment of this office as special prosecutor, and a proposed order for the same are enclosed. Please indicate your acceptance of the agreement by signing and dating this letter in the space provided and return the letter. We look forward to working with you on this case. So both parties did accept Colleen Zahn of the Deputy AG Criminal Law Division, and Marcia Murdoch, who is the prosecuting attorney for Fremont County. So, this is very serious, and I'm thinking it all stemmed from a recent motion that she filed, a few of them, to have her bail reduced. She has not yet produced or told prosecutors or anyone where her children are. And I feel like all this legal maneuvering is creating like a smokescreen, and it's not really doing anything for her to produce the children at this point. But maybe this will encourage her to do that. Also, she did file through her attorney a request for another bond reduction. A request for discovery on April 2nd. And it's a whole lot of stuff that she is requesting in her lawyer. Then she filed an amended motion for bond reduction on April 2nd. Also on April 2nd, a declaration in support of defendant's amended motion for bond reduction. On April 7th, prosecutors filed an objection to defendant's declared motion for bond reduction. And then on the 8th, they filed a notice of non-service because they weren't properly served with this request for discovery. There's an affidavit from Rob Wood, who is the prosecutor on the case against Lori Vallow. And then on April 9th, there's a notice of motion for bond reduction. So that is going to be, please bear with me, I'm waiting for this phone to load everything. So Lori Noreen Vallow, defendant, her hearing is motion for bond reduction at Madison County Courthouse in Rexburg, Idaho. She will be there April 17th, 2020 at 2 p.m. and the judge is Michelle Radford Mallard. I'll provide a link to the East Idaho News in the description box. Okay, guys, take care. Love you all. Be careful out there. All right, bye-bye.